You guys, this is the future of fashion. Hi, my name's Maureen. I'm an indie clothing designer, and I'm super excited to be here today to share with you my new Kickstarter campaign, Active Couture. Have you ever been shopping and you found that perfect top that you just loved and you dug through all the sizes and they were completely sold out of your size? Or what about your favorite pair of tennis shoes that are sitting up in your closet that you rarely wear because you have nothing to match them? Or what about when you found that perfect pair of yoga pants if only they had been like 4 inches shorter? With Active Couture, we're making all that possible. When I say that we're gonna allow you to fully customize your clothing, I mean it. Active Couture is the first gym-to-street fitness apparel company that allows you to customize every piece of clothing. A place where you're gonna be able to find your perfect waistband every time, or pick your length, whether it be short or long. You're gonna be able to find your size no matter when you come shopping. But the most exciting thing about Active Couture is that we're gonna give you over 50 different fabrics or trims or embellishments to choose from. So that when you customize your perfect piece of clothing, you're guaranteed to get something that you love every time. This is truly a labor of love for me. Everything that we do is completely hands-on, right down to hand selecting the fabrics and then pinning the pieces up on my dress form to ensure that I get the perfect fit and quality in every piece that we make. This is the future of fashion. Join us in revolutionizing the fashion industry.